Yo. Yeah. Oh. Look, bring it back, 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 bring it back. You know who this is when I get up on the track. You know that I'm a beast and I'ma bring it right back. You know that I got it when you feel me on here. You know that I'm ripping it when you get in the ear. Woo! Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, yeah, I'm doing it like that, people. Look, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, people. You know I'm doing it like that. Look, I know you're feeling very good today, cause I felt out that you got $100 bill and you don't know what to do with it. Should you buy you some shoes with it? Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, back. I got $100 bill, man. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, right back. I got $100 bill, man. $100 bill, you know what I can do? Yes, I'm the deal. I'm about to act a fool. I'm about to flick it. I'm about to stretch it. I got $100 bills. I got 100 things I wanna do, but I don't know what's the truth. If even though I wanna go to the mall and buy me some shoes, then this ain't enough, dude. You gotta have another bill to add to this, but I got 100 bills, so I'm with it. I don't know what I want to really spend it on, so I'm about to go and treat myself. $100 bill, $100 bill, $100 bill, yeah, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, $100 bill, and I don't know what to do. Guess I'm gonna buy me some brand freaking shoes. I don't really know what color I want. I wanna pick a color where it really shine out. People wanna fly out, don't cry out. Niggas wanna cop out, don't cop out. You know you can get it if you got it, if you want it, if you got it, if you have it, then go ahead and spin it. $100 bill, man. $100 bill, man. $100 bill, man. I got $100 bill and I'm acting shady. You know that's my name when I get it in my pocket. It's burning a hole, I better go spin it. It's burning my pocket, I better go spin it. My thigh is burning, I better go spin it. I got $100 bill and I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I got $100 bill and I don't know what to do. Know what to do. They're like, hey, $100 bill, that ain't a lot of money, but to me it is, cause I ain't really knowing nothing, cause I'm coming really poor and I've been trying to act like I'm spoiled. Let's get it on, let's really know. You gotta make money to really explode. So I got $100 bill and I'm going to make it out of the deal. I got the blue one. I got the blue bill. The one with the line. That is blue.